What it is, YouTube, man? Welcome back to my channel. I am the one, the only, the most light-skinned individual in the world. I am the Golden Beard. So check it out. As you can see right now, you see him right there. He posted. We're in the Golden Beard laboratory, man, doing a little editing on the computers. You know, got a new video for y'all. So usually I'll be at the shop or on my way to the shop where I recorded the motor getting taken out. You saw that. But now we're at the point where the motor is actually getting worked on. So now we're taking everything apart. We're taking the timing chains off, the timing chain guides, the heads, the camshaft, the crank. Like, we are taking the motor completely apart, cleaning everything, about to reinstall all the parts that you guys saw from the previous videos, and we're about to get the Mustang up and running. So moving forward, once it's up, the car is running. Pretty much is what we're doing right now. This video and these next clips that I'm about to show y'all, that we're about to get into, is pretty much us doing so. So if you're not a big car buff, that's what we're doing. Taking the motor apart, heads, cams, everything, the whole nine, stripping the motor down to its bare block. We're cleaning everything, getting ready for the new parts. So with that being done, we are pretty much, man, at the final stage where we just putting the car in. Putting the motor in the car. So yeah, you make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, give me a comment. I really appreciate when you guys comment. Show me that you are engaged. Show me that you are, listening. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I'm doing right. You watching the video always shows me that you showing me support, so I appreciate that. But hey, go ahead and comment. That's okay. I can take some criticism. I got tough skin. If you think I'm trash, then hey, let it be trash. I'm gonna keep uploading anyway. So yeah, I'm not gonna do too much talking. What I'm gonna do is pretty much just kind of sit back. We're gonna watch Chewy do his thing on the motor, take everything apart, and yeah, you guys just pretty much tune in, man. We're at that final steps towards rebuilding the motor, getting this car up and on the road. So let's get after it. y'all enjoy this journey, man. As you can see, the Mustang motor is fully disassembled. We are on our way to finishing up the project and getting it done. Make sure y'all hit the drop, follow, and subscribe. And also go follow my boy Speed Industries. Go follow my boy Chewy and Speed Industries. Link in the description down below. Show him some love. Comment on his thing. Let him know he did his thing. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.